Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today guys, I'm going to do something I haven't done in quite a while in my hair. I'm going to henna and indigo my hair. I'm excited about this guys because I haven't done it in a while, and I'm also going to show you guys something extra I added in my indigo that I didn't before. So the first thing I did was I henna my hair. If you guys haven't seen my videos on how I do that, I have pretty detailed videos on my channel already. I'll show you how I henna it from beginning to start, and also how to henna your hair in about 3 hours guys, so go check that out. Now the next thing I'm going to do is, after I henna my hair, I'm going to make this indigo about 20 minutes before my henna time is up. And one of the cool things I did guys was I went and read a little bit more about mixing the indigo for your hair. So I added lemon juice in there. All I did was add about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. I added about 2 cups of indigo, and I went in and added warm water to mix it all together and make a really nice paste in plastic wrap for about 20 minutes before I was done with my henna treatment. And I went in and rinsed it out completely. Now one thing I didn't do guys is I didn't condition my hair after I applied the henna, because I wanted to apply the indigo afterwards so I can really go and get into my hair strand. Now after that guys, you can see my hair is all rinsed out. I'm going to grab my indigo and start applying it. And guys, make sure you're wearing gloves all throughout these because you're gonna need them. And if you can see, this is what the indigo looked like compared from when it started until now that it's completely set. And what I'm going to do guys is apply this in sections so I can make sure it's going all over my hair from root to tip, and I make sure I apply this thoroughly. So make enough paste guys so you can cover your entire hair and edges so this can sink, and so you can make sure that everywhere is being evenly covered so you won't have a problem later on that one part will cover and the other wasn't. And I'm going to do this all throughout my hair guys. Make sure that you're wearing something that you're not gonna mind that gets dirty, of course, or a shirt that gets ruined, because this is gonna fall on it. Make sure that you're applying this guys so you're getting an even spread so everything can look nice and even and all together after you're done. You really got to give this about a week to settle, and then it will look great. This is a great treatment to do for your hair guys. I highly recommend it if you're having problem with your hair, if it feels like it's going to break. So guys, just a few benefits of indigo powder. It helps to treat and prevent premature graying if you're having problem with that, and it can also lead to new hair growth. And if you're having any bald spot, it also helps with that. That's why I make sure I put this on my edges guys to help me with my thinning edges. And it also treats with dandruff and help to condition dry hair, because even though I did the henna, my hair would usually feel dry. After I indigo my hair and I did the deep conditioner, it felt soft, it felt nice, and felt manageable. That's why I went in a second time and conditioned it again. And also guys, it helps to smooth your tangles, and it helps your hair looks a lot thicker. If you can see, my hair looks so nice and thick. I love it, and it makes your hair more manageable. And of course, you're also going to get that dark lustered look on your hair, and I absolutely love it. So after I make sure that my hair and edges are completely covered guys, I'm going to apply a plastic cap, and I'm going to wrap it with one of my scarf and sit under the heater for 30 minutes guys, and let this soak in. Now after you take this out, you can see that it's kind of black blue. It's turned a really dark color, and you can see guys, it's all over my hair. My hair looks so nice and healthy already. I love the feel of it. I love the strength that's already added to it, because the indigo guys is not just a dye for your hair. This is a hair treatment. That's why I wanted to do it the most, not just to get the dark color. Now I'm gonna go in guys with my 3-minute Aussie deep conditioner, because I wanted this to wash out. I didn't want to use a heavy deep conditioner, just something to deep condition my hair enough, and go in and massage this all over my hair. And I'm making sure I massage my edges and my scalp, just everywhere, to make sure that no extra indigo is gonna cover my hair. It's gonna wash out. It's going to do a good job at washing it out. And if you can see guys, my curls look super nice. My hair looks healthy. I love how bouncy and nice my hair feels, and how great it looks after doing that indigo treatment. I'm going to deep condition my hair guys just once, and make sure to go in and apply this and go in and rinse it out. Now what I did guys was waited 1 more week. I didn't shampoo my hair. I went back and conditioned it only to make sure to get a good moisturizing treatment, because I just double treated my hair with the henna and the indigo. I wanted to add even more moisture, so I use conditioner only on my hair to condition my hair and help it get hydrated and stay healthy. And guys, these are the results. This is the final look 2 weeks into this. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already guys, subscribe to my channel. Of course, give this video a thumbs up and click that little notification bell so you'll know when I have new videos out. And guys, leave all of your comments down below and go over and watch my last video.